Hello. As I have described in our previous sessions, the GHS is a harmonized system developed at a UN level for classification and labeling of chemical substances and mixtures. The European Commission has presented a law proposal for a European Union GHS. ChemSec is very positive to the introduction of a European Union legislation for the classification and labeling of chemicals. However, the Commission proposal at hand has omitted the labeling of substances with PBT properties. PBT substances are chemicals that are persistent, bioaccumulative and toxic, PBT. Being persistent means that these chemicals do not simply disappear. Regardless of intended use, they leak out and end up where they were not supposed to. Being bioaccumulative means that they build up in our bodies and the environment. These man-made chemicals did not exist 100 years ago, and now, once released, they do not disappear. They circulate and sooner or later end up in the atmosphere, in the oceans, in plants, and in the bodies of humans and animals. The long-term effects are uncertain, but there is reason to believe that the damage is more far-reaching than we understand today. This is a group that is difficult to control, with the potential of causing serious and irreversible effect. PBT chemicals are, for example, used in textiles and electronic goods, and also in the manufacture of kitchenware and textile finishings. In REACH, the new EU chemicals regulation, PBTs are given the highest priority as so-called substances of very high concern. REACH and GHS complement each other as key elements of the new EU chemicals policy. The REACH regulation aims to identify and control high concern chemicals. GHS is intended to label chemicals to inform users of potential hazards. We argue that consumers and professional users need to be made aware of products containing PBTs. This for correct and safe handling and also disposal of such products. To sum it up, in REACH, PBTs are given the highest priority. In the present GHS proposal, PBT labelling is not foreseen. Our recommendation is that the members of the European Parliament, as well as the representatives in the Council of Ministers, vote to include labelling of PBTs in the EU GHS.